Hey Dan. Hey Dan. Hey gang, it's Dan here, marginallyclever.com. This is the Sixi Zero, the original Sixi Robot that we built. It's got a few more cables than the actual commercial version. And here's the software, the Robot Overlord. You can see I've turned this robot around in the simulation to match pretty close to the real one. And when I move one, the other one moves to match it as fast as it can. Now, I've only just started getting some good results out of this, so my PIDs, that's like how fast it steers to match what I'm doing. The PIDs are not well tuned yet. It's just learning to drive, but we're doing pretty good. And for a mostly plastic robot, this is pretty amazing. So my next goal is to put a new gripper on here and show some demos and then record a few actions and play them forward and back. No problem passing through a singularity. Again, a mostly plastic robot, pretty good. Our next edition is already stiffer than this, so there's less of this wibble wobble. And I want to thank you for tuning in, watching our progress. This is going to get better all the time. And why don't you join in now so you can get in on the ground floor? Huh? Alright, this has been fun, but I gotta get back to work. So I will see you next time.
Oh honey, though our friendship ceases